Hello guys, myself Dr. Premal Patel, and today we are going to discuss about packages in Java. This is the chapter 9, package and interface. So what is the package? First of all, we start with the concept of package. That means package are containers for the classes that are used to keep the class name space compartmentalized. That means in different folders, suppose we have stored many classes or many programs which are called through a single main function. So the main function which is access the classes which are stored at the compartment wise in different location. So in this scenario or in this case, we need to use package. So let us start with the example. First of all, how it works. So here I am going to create one file, demo dot java file. Okay, so this is the one java file, and I create another java file also. The name is test. Okay, so these are the two java files. Now what I create here, open it, and this is the demo class name, class demo. Okay, then I write public static void main, and then string args. So this is the main portion. So this is the basic thing. Here what happened, we create a main function here, and we are going to access another classes or its property from this location to different location. Suppose there is one class test. Right now it is stored in same folder, but the programs are different. So what I will do, I create object of test t1 and then is equal to new test. Okay, so this is the process to create an object. Now I call t1 dot show method. Okay, so I save this program, and here class test, and here I just going to create a method void show method, which is accessing from demo. Now I write system dot out dot println, and I am writing a message. This is demo package. Okay, so I save the program, and then after saving both program, how to run this package. So java c, then demo.java. Now I compile the program, that is compiled successfully. Now I'm going to run the program and enter. So this is the demo package. Now you can see the class file are generated, demo class and test class. So this is the simple. Without package I am going to show the demo. Now I delete these files and going to prepare one package, simple package. I am going to create p1, and I put this function, this java file. So in p1, now what I have to do, this is now not accessible at the location. So open from this location. Now both are open. What changes I have to do? So I have to declare this is as a package, and I give the name of folder name as same as package name, package p1. Then these are the accessible in package, so I have to write as a public class, and method is also public. Then save the program. Now what I have to do in demo, I have to import the package. So I will write import p1 dot star. That means all the properties that I have to access from that particular class. So after save the program and further I compile and run, so it works properly. Okay, now see, at this location the class file also generated further after compile. Now I further remove the class file for both. Okay, and I create a sub package inside of package, that means p2. So I create a package, I put this class in the particular p2. Now what happened? See, edit with notepad, and package is not p1, now it is p1 dot p2. Okay, so I have to import p1 dot p2 dot star. Okay, and then I have to compile and run. So it is simple. So how to create a sub packages inside of package. Now you can see that the class file is also prepared here. Control X and Control V. So test, and I remove the p2. So see, in p1 test Java file, and I create one more package p2, and in p2 I put demo file. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to remove this both, and further I have to open. So first of all I open the demo file, then in p1 package. Now I have two different packages. So first of all, this is the test file. Okay, so it is located test at the p1. See, here is a p1, so I have two package mentioned as a p1. Save, and this is located at p2, so I have to mention package p2. Okay, so both are the package, so I have mentioned. Now in p2 I need to import p1 dot star. Same in p1 I have to import p2 dot star. Okay, and save the program. This is the package p1 and I am importing p2. This is the p2 package and importing p1. So it's okay. Now what I have to do, the program is located at demo is located at p2, so I have to give a path of p2/demo.java. So compiling and running this program, the method is slightly different. p2.demo and java p2. Okay, so it is working properly. So you can see the class file is generated in p1 package and in p2 package. So this is the concept of package There are three concepts we learned: a simple package, then package inside of package, that means hierarchical package, and third one was the different package, that means one program is located at one package, another program is located at another package. In that situation you have to give a proper path. Okay, so this is the concept of package, and you have to prepare this all the types of package, and if you have any confusion then you can give a comment. Okay, thank you.